Hello friends, so again it's me Hiral and please welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in this session I am going to continue with the examples of the Cauchy's residue theory. So let's start with today's session and the question is given: evaluate integration over the C sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 into the z minus 2 dz, where c is more z equals to 3. So this example is almost related to our previous sessions. Okay, so continuing with the same procedure of its solution. So writing its solution, as you know, first of all you have to take a function f of z. So it will be sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2. Okay, now you have to find simple pole or else it will be of the pole of order m. So from this, which one is being, that you have to first write. So as you can see here it's given two factors. Okay, and this both the factor having a single power. It means we can say that this both factor are is from linear form. So that's why it will be a simple pole. So which will be the points of this simple pole? So here z equals to 1 and z equals to 2. इनका पॉइंट होगा z equals to 1, इनका बनेगा z equals to 2 are given simple poles. ठीक है, and now you have to write its center with its radius and you have to draw the figure. And right now I am not going to draw its figure because now you know very well that how to do the figure. So C is the circle. Which one circle? That z equals mod z equals to 3 with the radius first of all I forgot to write center. With the center, which one? 0, 0 and a radius of, कौन सी radius है यहाँ पे? Definitely it is of given 3. So here I have written 3. Okay, now as you can see here you are getting two simple poles, यानी कि here you are getting 2 points. So for this both particular points you have to find its modulus and you have to check whether it is of inside or outside. Okay, so first of all I am doing for the point z equals to 1. Okay, so therefore mod z equals to mod 1 and opening from the mode, so it will be only 1 and you have to compare this one with its radius and here radius is given 3, and then after you have to check whether it is of less than or greater than to radius, and you can definitely say it will be of less than to its radius. So यहाँ पे आपको 3 radius वाला वो सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, and here I am not drawing but you have to draw for sure. So I am writing here just notes, do the figure. ठीक है, ओके. सो अभी 3 रेडियस का यहाँ पे सर्कल बनेगा, तो यहाँ पे आपको चेक करना है कि 1 उनके इनसाइड पार्ट में है कि आउटसाइड पार्ट में है. सो यू कैन से दैट hence z equals to 1 lies inside the C, right? Now same procedure you have to do for the another one, and this one will be for the next point, and the point is z equals to 2, right? So therefore mod z equals to mod 2, and writing without mod it will be 2 only, and you have to compare it with its radius, and the radius is 3, and definitely it will be again less than 2 3, यानी कि 2 भी 3 के अंदर ही आ रहा है. सो अगेन वो कौन से पार्ट में मिलेगा? इनसाइड पार्ट में. सो हैंस z equals to 2 lies inside the C. ठीक है. So here you can observe this, both the points are coming into the inside part. Okay. So for this both the points you have to find its simple pole, यानी कि you have to find its residue. Okay. So I'm finding one by one its residue. So writing now z equals to 1 is a simple pole, right? ओके. यहाँ पैस नहीं लिखना है गाइस. ओके. अभी वो सिंपल पोल है तो उनके लिए हमें उनका इक्वेशन भी अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो रेसिड्यू ऑफ एफ ऑफ जेड एट द पॉइंट जेड इक्वल्स टू 1 इक्वल्स टू लिमिट z टेंड्स टू इट्स पॉइंट यानी कि 1, z माइनस a. व्हाट विल बी a? अगेन 1 and into the f of z. So now putting its value, limit z tends to 1, z minus 1 into f of z. Here you have to write its f of z. It will be sine pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 into the z minus 2. Okay. And you can observe here this both term will be removed. So remaining term we can write limit z tends to 1 sine pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 2. ठीक है. And now we have to just put its value, and here you have to write in place of z 1, so it will be sin pi plus cos pi. You know the value of sin pi, it will be 0, and cos pi it will be minus 1, and here also you have to put its value so that it will be minus 1 upon 1 minus 2, so that will be plus 1. Now again one more pole you have to do, and this is for the z equals to 2 is a simple pole, right? As z equals to 2 is a simple pole, you have to write its residue also. So I am writing here the residue of f of z for the point z equals to 2. Then it will be limit z tends to 2 z minus 2 into the f of z. So z minus 2, and here you have to put the values f of z. So sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2, and as you can observe this both factor will be removed, and for the remaining term I am writing directly, you have to write its value. So it will be here sin 4 pi plus cos 2 to the 4 pi upon z minus 1. So this one will be 0, this one will be cos 4 pi. What will be cos 4 pi? You have to write its value, and again also you have to put in place of this z equals to 2. So यहाँ पे मैं directly 2 ही लिख रही हूँ guys, 2 minus 1 और cos 4 pi यानी कि 1. So definitely its value will be again 1. So now we just found the residue of this both the simple poles. Okay, and then after you have to apply that Cauchy's residue theorem. Okay, so now I'm writing by using Cauchy's integral theorem, right? First of all, you have to write its formula, that integration over the C f of z dz equals to 2 pi I into the sum of, यहाँ पे आएगा रेसिड्यूज, बिकॉज हियर यू आर गेटिंग 2 points as an inside part. Okay, so here you have to add this both the residue, so that's why I have written the sum of the residues. Okay, इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे s लगाया है. And now 2 pi I into the, सी फर्स्ट का रेसिड्यू मिल रहा है 1, सेकेंड का भी मिल रहा है हमें 1, so here I have written 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, so 2 2s are 4, so 4 pi I, and this is the residue for the function sin pi z square plus cos pi z square upon z minus 1 z minus 2. So guys, this one will be your final answer. I hope guys you all understood this example very well, and if you know the concept of Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's integral theorem, then definitely you can do these examples very fast. Okay, now doing one more example. I'm just doing for the practice, then after I will give some examples for the practice. Okay, so here you can observe the question is given, evaluate integration over dc 5z plus 7 upon z square plus 2z minus 3 dz, where c is mod z minus 2 equals to 2. See guys, first of all you have to find its factors, and here its center has been changed little bit. Okay, so this much is the difference for this particular example, and rest of the method will be almost similar. Okay, so let's start with its solution. So let, first of all you have to write f of z, so it will be 5z plus 7 upon z square plus 2z minus 3, and here the factors is not given, I'm just finding its factors. So you have to find the factors of z square plus 2z minus 3. Okay, and the factors for this both will be z plus 3 into the z minus 3 का ऐसे पार्ट करना है आपको जो माइनस करके प्लस 2 मिले. So z plus 3 into the z minus 1. Okay, and as you can observe here, this both the factors are linear, right? So that we can write here which factors, which are the points z equals to minus 3 and z equals to plus 1 are given simple poles, right? So again, this both the points you are getting as a simple pole, and now we have to do the figure, and also you have to write its center as well as its radius. Okay, so I'm writing here C is a circle, which one? Z minus 2 equals to 2 with सेंटर. ओके, आई होप गाइज अभी आपको इनका सेंटर पता चल जाएगा फ्रॉम दिस z minus 2 and it will be 2,0 and a radius. Which one radius? Radius of here it's given for the 2, right? So with 2, and now as you are getting here 2 points, so for this both the points you have to do one by one its procedure, and for this both the points you have to check whether it is coming inside part or outside part. So first of all I am doing for the point z equals to minus 3. Okay, so therefore it will be z minus 2 equals to, okay, in place of z now we are going to write minus 3, right? So it will be minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5. अगर वो मोड में से बाहर निकले then it will be plus 5, right? And this 5 we have to compare it with its radius, and the radius is given here 2. And now we have to check whether it is coming greater than or less than 2 its radius. So for sure we can say that this one will be a greater than form to the radius. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे रेडियस कौन सी है? 2,0 की सिर्फ रेडियस है. ओके, और ये 5 उससे तो बाहर ही होगा. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली वी कैन से दैट hence z equals to minus 3 lies outside to C. Okay, and same procedure we will do for the another one, and this one will be for the point z equals to 1, right? So it will be the mode of z minus 2, it will be 1 minus 2, so it will be minus 1, and it will be converted into the positive 1, and you have to compare it with its radius, and definitely you can say that it will be less than to its radius, right? Okay, so ये radius से अंदर है, ये 1 point. Okay, so that we can write here hence z equals to 1 lies inside the C. Okay, and as you know all now, for the next step you have to just find a residue for the points of inside part. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको एक आउटसाइड मिल रहा है और एक इनसाइड मिल रहा है, बट दोनों में से आपको किसके लिए सिर्फ लिखना है, रेसिड्यू फाइंड करना है ओनली फॉर द इनसाइड पार्ट. ओके, so that's why now I'm going to write now z equals to 1 because this is coming into the inside. ठीक है, so z equals to 1 is a simple pole. Okay, then you have to find its residue, so it will be the residue of f of z for the point z equals to 1, right? Limit z tends to 1, z minus 1 into the f of z. So limit z tends to 1, z minus 1, f of z. What is f of z? It will be 5z plus 7 upon z plus 3, z minus 1. So that now this both term will be removed. So I'm writing its remaining part. Limit z tends to 1, 5z plus 7 upon z plus 3, and putting this value of z you will get the answer 3. ठीक है. And at the last step you have to write by using Cauchy's residue theorem. So I am writing here by Cauchy's residue theorem. Now we have to write its formula, so that it will be integration over this f of z dz equals to 2 pi I into the sum of रेसिड्यू. यहाँ पे रेसिड्यूज नहीं आएगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने सिर्फ एक ही रेसिड्यू फाइंड किया है. नाउ पुटिंग इट्स वैल्यू 2 पाई आई इंटू दी 3, सो इट विल बी 6 पाई आई, एंड दिस इज फॉर द इंटीग्रेशन ओवर दी सी. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे उनका फंक्शन z स्क्वायर प्लस 2z माइनस 3 dz के फॉर्म में. ओके, एंड एज यू नो एट द लास्ट यू हैव टू mention with it square bracket. Okay guys, so I hope you would like this example and you understood this example. And for the more practice I am giving you some examples for the practice, and here you can see its question. So here I have written fifth question. And now sixth one. So this both examples you have to do as in practice, and two more examples I am giving you today only. So this is your seventh one example with its answer, and eighth one also I am giving with its answer, so that you can confirm your answer, you can tell your answer with this answer. So if you like my today's session, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.